General Asabuja, where they declare wanted, so they support sin. And I hear what in Dr. Mighty talk. Say, Wike, if we do you wrong, sorry, we know they're perfect. Now you give us sin and no going back. The last bus stop is sin. That's why Duncan said, if we do you wrong, sorry. You don't go continue to control us. They press us like remote. We know they're perfect. Leave sin for us. Now me be the equal one. The Ogribo one of Niger Delta. I deal with sin 100%. No bribe, they shake out. No bribe. Bribe don't try come, but you know go feel shake out. Make I tell you now one story. You know why they use pidgin? So even though who no break pencil, go hear me. Even though who no break biro, go do it, hear me. Make una see. You see sin, it go there 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. The other one again will start another 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. Unless na sin say he no one go again. I happy say he say no get Martin go go. He like him, he no like him, he go there. Sin na our blood. Now we can carry sin give us. Because sin tell us say enough is what? Enough. How you gonna press me like remote? Ping-pong, ping-pong. Even girlfriend where you get, if you control him like that. Wife where you get, if you control him. Wicked, they are there. Make nobody do anything, worry anybody. For me, Sim is the best governor. Not be to they cause trouble for River State. They work with some uniform people, they cause problem. They arrest innocent people, they frame them up. They declare me wanted, what I do. I tell the CP, tell them, show the thing what I do. Shall say the former chairman make them come out there. They never come out. Now their papa house. Now their mama house. She remain #1 citizen. If she tell us say make we do a thing, we follow do a thing. Si naga aiso anazo bobongo ngo Fubara naga aiso anazo bobongo ngo. Na so it be. You go follow the man with the Abuja. It's a bit something at all. You won't hustle, you go hustle for Abuja. Make all of us hustle with who? Same Fubara. Now he be the #1 citizen. They don't try to draw rain. We don't go rain go soak all of us here. They don't try to bring rain down. See so no, but rain they come. No be bad people. We love sin. We want sin. Nobody fit remove sin. Unless now God will remove them. No gossip. No betrayal. Go fit remove sin. I use this opportunity to beg everybody. Make an come, make we do it in follow sin. Make we walk with who? Sin. Sin a better man. Leave the gossip. Forget say in they share money like the former person. You know the former person wicked they share like say nakara. And my mind, so if he say better, what will it profit a man to gain the whole world and do what? See the hotel, see house, see plaza, see this one, see that one, see that one. How manage, waiting happen. All this money, our money. Oh. Now they don't like me say I too they talk. And they talk waiting I see. A man carry River State money, billion, trillion, they do like say na his own. Money with me and none of us get up. One man they do like say the money na his own. Go see the house when bid for other judge. Country home. How many children they there? How many wives they there? How many concubines they there? Who they live inside na cockroach? Go see house. We go carry and go heaven. Waiting beyond this thing. It's too much. Vanity upon vanity is what? The thing too much. They don't start again, they buy for Abuja, they buy for Abuja, they buy. What thing happen? They don't turn to land grabber. Go see the whole Abuja, the whole land, everywhere, the same thing. They turn to land grabber. Go see all community, everywhere and get land. Where would they carry this thing go? I beg, you see this is what they talk. They're gonna post and record me. We get too they selfish. He too greedy. He too stingy. Now himself ain't know. He won't make all of us lead and they make and bow down. And it's not possible. If you die today, you go die tomorrow. Since when they kill our youth, they jail them, they prison them, they kill them, they frame them up, they set them up. Waiting happen. He never do. Go see our children, our boys, all full prison here. They don't do anything. If you don't agree, they set you up. You don't want to work with them, they frame you up. I use this opportunity to tell all the vast people, indigenous and non-indigenous, make we come together to work with Sin Fubara. Make we come together to follow Sin. Sin a good man. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Welcome off stage His Royal Highness Eze Allen Okechukwu Ogbonda Martin, Eze Ogbokia Oha III, Rebesi Kingdom. Please put your hands together for him as he makes his way. Please put your hands together for him as he makes his way.
Anmekao! 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 Najani can meka. Nothing mega. Well, all protocol observed. It possible for this occasion to hold here today. All the government officials that were here, representing the simplicity, the simple governor of Rivers State, you are welcome. All the elders here, that is here, to observe this occasion today, you are welcome. Eleniama! 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 I support the governor, the gentleman of Rivers State. There is nobody should fear. Nobody can remove him. No matter the prediction, no matter the enchantment, no matter the divination, God has put him, Nobody can remove him. So for the sake of time, well, I'm pleading to all of you, do not fear. Wherever it is necessary for us to give support and mobilize, do it, and I will do my own. After saying whoever cares or who wants to do anything should go and do on his own. I've come here to support the totality or simplicity movement and good governance. I thank you all. My correct names are His Royal Highness Eze Allen Okechukwu Ogbonda Martin. Eze Ogbako had the Rebisi thought, the paramount ruler of all the Oruko community. Go and tell them Eze is here today. Anmekao! 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 Eleniama!